Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Today I'm out here in the garden. My wife and I just dug up a few of the raspberry plants that we have for a couple of reasons. One is that, as you guys probably have seen or know, we're going to be selling our property, or at least we're trying to. And we've got a bunch of beautiful raspberry plants from back by the compost pile as well as over here on the side. And I want to be able to bring those with us wherever we do end up buying land, because these were quite productive and really healthy plants for us. So you can see we've got a bunch here, and we're actually going to be bringing some of these over to my mother-in-law's place and as well to my brother-in-law's place, kind of as gifts, and to have them be able to enjoy these plants as well. There's still plenty left here for whoever the new owner may be, and if they enjoy raspberries as well. And we've got the two kinds that we've been growing. So you can see here the thorny type, and then we have the thornless type over there. And a few of those ones in the back are also the thornless variety. So we just put them in these little containers for now. Raspberries are very shallow rooted, so it's pretty easy to transplant them, and they're very hardy, so they can withstand a lot of abuse. Basically, if you just left them like this and planted them in the spring, they would be fine as long as they have a little bit of soil around their roots. That's my understanding anyway. But the best thing is, obviously, if you are transplanting them, if you can plant them now where they're going in the fall time, then that's the best bet for keeping them alive and make sure that they can grow out in the springtime. So yeah, basically, I just wanted to kind of share a few words. Oh yeah, and by the way, we got some more tomatoes still, and my wife and I just finished off the last of the raspberries from over in the hillside up there. So yeah, it's kind of crazy, like into November, and we're still getting stuff. I haven't even got the squash yet, so we're gonna get that at some point soon. I'll do a separate video on that. And you can see the little apple seedlings here, and yeah, it's just really cool that things are still kind of growing. And I look forward to getting a new place and start a new food forest. And we're going to be transplanting some of these. I'm going to come back and get a few more, but this is what we're going to bring to my mother-in-law's and my brother-in-law's place, and then we'll see where we end up. But yeah, basically once you have a garden already established, it's very easy to get some of these plants to propagate and give them away as gifts, or even potentially make money with them. Because if you go to the store and you buy one of these, it's usually at least a few dollars a piece, and really from your garden you can just give them away to friends. Like, it doesn't cost you pretty much anything to just dig one up. They just spread like weeds basically. So yeah, it's really great. I mean, blueberries are really expensive too, and you can propagate those pretty easily from hardwood cuttings apparently. You can grow them from seed as well, though I've never done either, but maybe I'll do a video on that later as well. But yeah, that's it for now. Just to keep it short, I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that's still going on and give you an update. Still trying to sell the house. We'll see what's what, and looking around at a lot of places. So I've been really busy. My wife and I have been doing a lot of traveling, going around checking out places, and doing a lot of searching online and just looking for stuff. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, remember to give it a big thumbs up, and yeah, start thinking about what you're going to be growing this springtime. If you haven't got anything in your garden yet, forget the lawn, stop growing grass, grow some food. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye.